$30 million. That's how much the US Department of Labor is putting into training workers for high-demand industries like AI, manufacturing, and shipbuilding. And here's the twist. If you're an Indian professional in the US or planning to move, these grants could shape your next big career move. H-1B holders, students on OPT, and even green card aspirants. This is big news. What's going on? The US Employment and Training Administration will award grants to state workforce agencies. Those agencies will work with employers to create fast outcome-based training programs in high-demand sectors. Priority industries, AI, infrastructure, advanced manufacturing, and IT. Plus, a special $5 million focus on shipbuilding. Why it's happening? America needs skilled talent urgently. Companies are struggling to hire for AI, robotics, and advanced trades. President Trump's executive orders are pushing to make America skilled again. And that means more resources to train people who can fill these roles quickly, including high-skilled immigrants already in the country. What it means for Indians in the US. If you're an H-1B holder, you can work with your employer to join or even help design a grant-funded training program. For Indian students on F-1 visas, these programs could help you upskill during OPT, making you more valuable to US employers and boosting your green card chances. Even if you're still in India, knowing which sectors the US is investing in can help you choose the right degree, certification, or skill set before moving. What can you do? Indian professionals already in the US talk to HR about these grants. Indian students, pick degrees or electives tied to AI, manufacturing, or energy. Employers, partner with state workforce agencies to secure funding. This $30 million push isn't just about American workers. It's about building a workforce that keeps the US ahead in AI, energy, and global trade. Like this video to get recommendations for regular updates. And comment your industry, AI, manufacturing, or shipbuilding below. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest on US jobs, visas, and opportunities for Indians abroad.